Hello and welcome to Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Truck collides with 5 vehicles in Jowai. Injuries reported. Jantia National Council releases music video over state anthem controversy. KSU reports 325 nursing vacancies amidst uncertainty over previous announcements. And KNUM files legal complaint over foreign workers amid Chief Minister's statement. And now the news in detail. A serious road accident occurred at 3 p.m. in front of Jowai Civil Hospital, Shillong, involving a truck bearing registration number AS01NC3867 and 5 other vehicles. Witnesses reported the truck coming from East Jantia Hills collided with an Alto, followed by 2 local taxis waiting for passengers. The truck then struck 2 Alto cars travelling in the opposite direction, causing one to fall into the backwoods. Among the 5 vehicles involved, 2 were commercial and 3 were private. All occupants sustained injuries and were taken to civil hospital for treatment. At the time of reporting, the extent of injuries was not yet known. Residents have called for the installation of speed breakers by the National Highways Authority of India to prevent future accidents.
Em xóa tay Karina Frank sẽ. Ina dinyot ina den tay Karina dijin sa Frank. Oh, singe ina den tay Karina den ina singe ko. Tapo ada tay truk ban he tu. Na do tay hin sim ba ko itu ya. Saya ngok kan. Tekan hut MT ni geri. Ngau. Ko em so.
Manfin berbau berendam jangan mukir lawan om kata. Jadi nong kata. Oh ya takir ni opkin nong. Darne kira kamu dah. Lagi mari sini aja sana ye dah. Pada hari ada telitati. Kata terlitat lagi. Mak. Umat kata memang. Mak lagi tangwat. Rar ini ulem dedep umat yang. Kami di hobi tangi giburuan nahro bakalan ma ngale wakil dan boda sing dai daya bakalan giburu kan yo break ma dok la skit ga aramu mosi adle batawa wallahi walti bakalan ti betes sibakira ya thak ja neutral go ang ya thak kira tunel lo kantor berarti kira te go om bawi man ra kami na kami watai kami wada bau ni kan tai ab kanafi bitai la sikir nong sikir ang yo thak kir yo pjem dunan nong der hoy go ta kamu le ka oh yo break le hoy break go ta kamu le me wasnya man problem phachna ya ga ta man phachna babu kenu yo su la im babu kenu ai por ni du ang apikang ta ila kawan sidat ko ta jor speed nong jangan ta ni gari de kerja di fi Depon kan tak kipai.
Jadi perubahan ke kamen gaji yu yang fi.
Kan ada yu dah ia nervous nak bagi gari dato lagi buru emah pak gari ini dah. Pak igi buru mah desai igi buru nang dan mem de pak igi gari ni.
Ngani yu yang ngah porkan emah yu tu gari ni Taiwan seni a. Sedang aku nak kata wali. Tam ko ni dak kan yang ngadat kata kawi kap meh sport film he pasal apa sport style. Kata emah kata gari private buru dayu dah masuk. Tampuk saya kamu desai.
Tegi em ini keri yang pin em.
Tegi di pemik dan tip dia kan tetap payah sikit nong. Tegi aku susah dah. Kami kena di em ini.
The Jantia National Council JNC held a meeting to address concerns over the omission of Panar dialect in the state anthem released by the state government in January this year. On July 10th, the JNC released a new music video titled Re Jantia on their YouTube channel, performed by the organization's members. The release coincided with the celebration of the JNC's 9th Foundation Day at the Community Hall, Kleriat, East Jantia Hills District. JNC President Sambor Lingdo stated that the absence of Panar words in the state anthem motivated the creation of this music video to emphasize the importance of incorporating the local dialect in official symbols.
Music video wo I kam ki nong chong chong le ne kam ki khon yang kari jeng tia em ya patri ke jingile kate ko ong ki katma parkhat ki wo em kate ka tsunami le ne kal erba le er nyang thari ka bo mut ura ya kani kari wo kajai bru ko yong I ko mut wilam bakla ya kari wo kajai bru ko yong I ko bo mut upendu jai yang enami pertut yong kari jeng tia ko em nam em buram ko yong I Henry Kawinga kwa ong hini, wa kajat bru ko am ya ka history, kajat bru ko am ya ki klawat, kata ta kajat bru ko im, kajat bru ko dang am ki kon konro, ki wa yen ni benta ka daw pa yang kari wa kajat bru ko yang ni kata ta kajat bru ko dang im. Ta klem na melin. Snyaw I ku ble chaw wi po wi unong ilam wa udukot yang ka JNC. Wa khamtam kitu kinong yalam wa kidukot ki wada am I la kendis na melentar klem kejing kra chitom ko yong pi klem kejing len lade ko yong pi nakalian ko yong I wa miu la ki sna ko meni la da pa yi kejing dap ya unam ba mo yo kundi to wa khian ba dang khian ba ka kejing la luti ko yong I hanre la da khru inde ni ya kiden kejat Kiwa I kam kinong yalam wa pi kam kichipai da yes kembi ten snya parsne dango kumo ya kitu kipor nebha ha kajingile kayong I nebenta kari wa kajai bru damat ya chipon kijing cha penchitom kijing cha dak cha cho ha kipor yang ka an ha I yeni nebenta ka dauba dausan yang kari wa kajai bru kayong I hanre ha kitu kipor Desnya dok jingkermen hadok kata-kata nebha da am kejing bicar ke wong hok nebha ya ke bor yang ke judicial lagi tu ki forum pu am ke court dekso da kita ki DC ki magistrate ki SP dia yo lakat wang aji hadok ne kesngi ngadang hab olai hajir ya kan ni ke kes la pras nam kenti katu hanre haden kejing laj no yang ngana po jail snya melin lagi kita kejing yang nga snya kam utau umrat lene kamu te bru wadala jail ma kamu anggis nyau he yang mensen kata ke mensen cekri ya keri wa kajai bru le nang kende cucu ko wes nyau kemena nyau emo yang belai nang bu nang thau wa hadun ne kisngi le dang yeu yen skem kam unong elam lene kam unong yakmat yang Jantia National Council kemat kwa ulam hini to kwa kongsan kwa ulam hini to halor kile kita kimo nong rim kiwa kari wa kajak bru yang iyen ga kiwa I kam kajak RC la yeni kawanang kong to ketip bru ketip belai hawa pai sak imlang kesalang ke yang I hawa pai chaladi ke yang I kam kinong elam yo I ten
On July 11th, 2024, the Khasi Students Union KSU Monitoring Employment Cell, led by Ruben Najar, announced the availability of 325 nursing vacancies. Following a meeting with the director, Ruben expressed frustration over the lack of clarity regarding whether the Directorate of Health Services DHS had withdrawn a previous announcement concerning these positions. He emphasized that the DHS should have first clarified the status of earlier deployments, suggesting there might have been an error. The KSU is seeking clear communication from the DHS to resolve the confusion surrounding these vacancies and ensure proper processing of nursing job applications.
jingpemi kari advertisement yang jongkan iki laispa arsan cleaners tiba dang shumi shana hinutrik kum kejingtip kejungi jing saya kani ke isu jongkan iki cleaners ngila juwanteng ban kundu director ba hau bunai march kila pemi advertisement adin ba kila pen hatu hapor pemi advertisement ki isu select ki candidates based naka experience ke jongki te kawan kecing ijor ni na bunut ki nong apply kan kam ki ong ba ki kila don experience la suppose nam kharas nam wat kumtar ter hendri kim shimi ya ka kerteng jongki hendri ki bad dang sudah tritang asnam badang experience tang aresnam kila ki kum kita ki kerteng kimi te onda hatu kapor bengiwan ban kendu director nila batai kita ki boro i yang sampai luar kata kebenta buat hadin tang asngi hing i baya kata ke interview ka walk in interview jadi live pa person kinas kila cancel mo te hadin bela cancel hot officially kam ai kan nunggu juba ba balik cancel nomor ba ni wan da kan nongrum ba kadon kan nunggu jingno Shillong ya nu takada ngi pa ya kan ka bakin tumi ki maksa ba te ngathai besi kilap ya kum kita ki bat ki cancel no ke interview tingi dang apmi ba hot bakin pensisya ba bali bi ki cancel ring isu ino baki pen re advertise piang ya kan post claim da justify ya bali ki cancel ya ka last ya ka interview ke ba menchua te hadin ka jinga kereng ka cumi na kaliang cumi batai ba isu batai ba hot ibun pala kini ki allegations hindi tang nakaliang dungseng hindi niki patba bakinong apply kumju takadaw ki ko ban cancel no ya kanika interview pat ban le thamai te nakaliang jo kaseng ni butang kawe da kujukli haba pp re advertise ping ni ka post but bali fi advertise ka post namar ba pitip bakadon kajing le bakla hanu da manu ha ki ban pemi.
The Khun Nyautrap National Awakening Movement KNAM has lodged a legal complaint at the Sardar police station regarding the presence of foreign workers in Meghalaya. This action follows a statement by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, which revealed that groups and organizations cannot verify work permits of foreign workers. KNAM's working president, Thomas Pasa, reported that the complaint was prompted by information that some foreign workers lacking registration cards or work permits are employed at the MTC building. He criticized the state government for not empowering civil society groups to inspect foreign workers' documents, arguing that such measures are essential for law enforcement. Pasa condemned the CM's remarks as an invitation for increased foreign influx, likening the situation to turning Meghalaya into Tripura.
Traktor bla yo itu kam bat hakajing yo information ko jongi la ai sub kontrak ru. Te hakajing tip ubang yo lumba ki babon kini kinok tre hang tu bla bu gidi barabar gidi migrant worker. Kabalong kim dan ru ya kataka registration card. Mah ngila ban work permit ru. Te kani registration card katkum ka workman establish kat mereka anjo ke sarkar Meghalaya Identification Registration Safety and Security of Migrant Workers Act arjar arpau kene ka ak pelong mandatory ya ki migrant worker bakin dei bandon ya registration card te kat information bingila yo ngila ai kene ka jing tips po sadar police station kena bakin le ke badan kam baling ngile komne menar menen ngi iya statement jong UCM ba uang ba kiseng kimton bor ban lek khandra ban iwat tena kaliang ko jongi ngisim ba kani ka jingkren jong CM kalong kum ka jingkhang ba ban ple war sendon bakin kini kinok trai banabar kinwan lut chene ka jala ka jongi haka jing sha dei ban appreciate iseng bahalang dei ban appreciate ya kinu ki bayarap lang ya kana yakam ban khanglat ya kinu ki ba penken ya ki an ki bala don lupa hari kani ka jingkren jong CM benen ka pen pau ba UCM persang ban penkela Tripura no ya kanika jelak bagi kejongi ru tena kalian kejongi kumba UCM ulaong ngilawan asyak Khubor ki beripe ngilawan ai ke jingtip kejongi siapa police station ban nak kalian nak ginpet pada ke iba nak kalian jongka police department dan nak kalian ke sarkar kinle nak kalian ke jongka police department mentan ke untuk kin saya le belum kam kesli le gi kan ra kan le check tengi khmit inti ka bahai but ngin pet bodin pada kini kini sni ki banwan ka jingmi da kan ka jingwan ai ju thok ba jong ni sini sipo sadar ps wan ai da legal complaint bai mangil ai ki information ka badai nomor ba ladalet mangi kincong bali philet keli bali pipan kot pansla.
Following claims by the parents of karate players from Latkor Kanton Umon that their children were cheated by the club owner Doni Rani and his wife Anita Sothyang, officials have issued a rebuttal. On July 11, 2024 at the Shillong Press Club, club representatives addressed these allegations. They argued that the claims made by the parents are unfounded. According to the club, there was no information about the absence of a sub-junior category as it has consistently been included in the cadet category. The officials also stated that they have refunded all fees for games that were missed. Regarding the monthly fee of Rs 500, they clarified that it was a part of an agreement with parents to support the association financially. The club maintains that their practices are transparent and legitimate.
Bagi dan ki cadet junior senior tengah kali isa babali bakhlum yo lekai tikyom long kat kum kecing sisya tadan nomor ba cadet junior senior tengah om to ini bom yo ban ye lekai teng le kum no ti om to ini bom yo lekai teng refund tangkum tahi la refund no te bandai keren pat holor jong kata ka 10% tengah semulungo kai nomor ba kat hadu menta te kalian jemi ni padan kono ka ba ngilai shika association la ngilai tai sadani kumba
Kidan cibun bagi kimi kita bagi bakwa ban khai kena ban lekai asap junior hendrai dena kadau jong ka jing bamla ban registration yaki kena nang dena posted jami tengi la yalam no tang yaki junior sejrong ki sub junior bat ki junior ila yalam bat ki senior yale hendrai ndang ila poi hapot Delhi ya katoka independence cup ni yi nila ba wat ki kena ki bahapo jong ka khandai snem ru yo ban lekai nilalet ban kuli na kadau kumno sa na mani nim yo reban thep kertengi kini kina bati ong ba kini kina ki ba po jang ka khanda sinem ki ha po ka under sub junior category te hakani da champion ka bala hakani ka karate championship ka bala ha po dehradun ru ni prakhat be kuntahi kamdei da bangi ni latip lupa tade bangi ni latip lupa.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.